Shout out to Calvin and Jealousy for the request. Here's how to get into making music if you're just starting out. First, you don't need expensive gear. Just grab a DAW or digital audio workstation. I use FL Studio. There are free ones like BandLab or Logic or Ableton, and you could technically find them all for free if you know how to use a search bar. But I didn't say that. Start by messing around with loops and samples, drag stuff in, play some melodies, have fun with it. Don't worry about being perfect. Then once you got a little bit of a handle on it, look up some stuff on YouTube, like how to make a basic beat or how to make a melody. And later, once you're making full songs, you might look at how to EQ vocals. It gets more advanced as you keep going at it. There's also a ton of free plugins out there, and most of the plugins that come with FL Studio, the one that I use, they're all pretty good out of the box. So you can end up making a real quality track with all the stock plugins. You don't need a huge budget to make bangers. If you want me to break it down for you step by step in a beginner series, drop a comment and I'll do it. Appreciate you for asking. Let's get it.